It's simple time, and this is Chef Tato, and today we are making a very clean tasting soup that you will love, especially sa rainy season. Kaya, let's start cooking! This recipe is part of our Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And when you have soup, it not only warms the stomach but also the heart. Lalo na pag, alam mo, sobrang init niyang iniinom mo na maulan-ulan pa. What we're doing today is a chicken sotanghon soup that I remember eating when I was a kid. Kaya, eto, what we have here, meron akong pot of chicken breast, so around 350 grams of chicken breast, na pinapakuluan ko sa tubig na may konting asin and of course an onion. So, eto siya, papakuluin natin siya hanggang maluto yung ating chicken breast, mag-infuse yung flavors niya sa kanya ating tubig, and of course, magiging base siya ng ating sabaw. So, pag sinasabi natin chicken stock, eto siya, yung tubig na pinagkuluan, yan ang stock, chicken stock, no? Or if you use beef, it's beef stock, no? Or vegetable stock. And we just put that aside. Yan. All the flavor and nutrients are already here in our pot of water. And eto, yung ginawa ko dito, yung aking chicken breast, meron ako nakahanda, of course, is I shredded it, no? I removed the bones and I removed the skin. And what we will do next is magigisa-gisa na lang tayo, no? So, a very simple soup will be just this, and the noodles with a little bawang. But let's jazz it up a bit to make it a little bit more special and flavorful. Tatakpan ko muna yung aking pot, and I will heat up my pan with a tablespoon of oil. I'm using Golden Fiesta canola oil, and I will just saute my garlic. So here I am using sliced garlic, and I don't want to toast the garlic because I don't want it to, ruin the clean flavor of our soup. And I will also saute my carrots, julienne carrots, celery, yan, shiitake mushrooms, yan, nice earthy flavor, and of course our UFC canned mushrooms. There's a little bit more chunkiness in our soup, even if it's a very simple, clear soup. And I have squid balls, diba? So, hindi lang siya very plain chicken soup. Meron tayong a little bit of interesting bites to enjoy. We will season with salt to bring out the flavors of all our ingredients. And aking chicken, shredded chicken, gagawin ko, ibabalik ko na dito sa aking pot. No? So when you're cooking your soup, kung, di ba, when you boil it, kumukonti siya kasi nag-evaporate yung ating sabaw, you just add a little bit more. I'll just add my chicken, look at that. Let it simmer. Yan. There. Little by little, it's going to release its flavor. Again, I don't want it to be toasted. That's done. Gagawin ko dito, ilalagay ko na lang yung aking sahog dito sa aking sabaw and let that simmer. Yan. And I also have here bok choy. Just cut off the stems diagonally to add to my soup. Yan. I'll leave the leaves so we can use the leaves for garnish or add it last. No? Kasi if you add it too early, it's going to be too wilted. No, we don't want that to be overcooked. We will add already with our soup. Yan. And we will season our soup with dato puti patis. So, the thing about cooking is that you cook it the way you want to eat it, di ba? Kaya usually, pag masarap magluto, masarap din kumain because you really have to enjoy your food and you can determine how you like things. We will just cover the pot and let it simmer. Yan. Okay. Lalagyan na natin yung ating sotanghon noodles. Yan. Pag sabaw, you don't have to soak it anymore kasi maraming liquid. Pero kung pansit yung ginagawa natin, we may have to soak our noodles para hindi ma-absorb, hindi maging dry masyado yung ating pansit. So, yan. Just let that cook. And we add our black pepper. Yan. At the last minute, we add our black pepper. And of course, we can add our bok choy now. You want to have the leaves whole for garnish or you can cut it up into pieces. But now, para may pang-presentation tayo, are you ready? Sobrang sarap. Look at that beautiful sotanghon soup. In case may sipon kayo, may lagnat, not feeling well, ito, make this soup. It's very nourishing. And we can garnish this with fried garlic and spring onions. Try this recipe at home. Make someone happy. Fill them up with your love and your cooking. Try this at home. Chicken sotanghon soup, ala simple. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.